Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva Magic Write. First, understand that Magic Write is an AI-powered tool designed to help you generate text content directly within your Canva designs. It's perfect for quickly drafting ideas, writing social media posts, or even creating longer articles. This feature streamlines your content creation process, saving you valuable time and effort, making content creation much more accessible for everyone. To begin, open an existing Canva design or start a brand new one. Look for the Magic Write button, usually found in your design toolbar or within the text options. A quick shortcut is to simply type /, then Magic Write, and select it from the menu. This opens the prompt box, ready for your input. It's a very intuitive process. Now, it's time to tell Magic Write what you need. Type a clear and specific prompt into the text box. For example, you might ask it to write a short blog post about sustainable living, or generate 5 catchy headlines for a fitness class. The more detail you provide, including tone or length, the better the output will be. Once Magic Write generates the text, carefully review it. Check for accuracy, relevance, and ensure it aligns with your overall message. You can then easily edit and refine the content directly within Canva, adjusting the wording, adding your unique brand voice, or making any necessary corrections. This ensures the final output is exactly what you envisioned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.